So this company has a very difficult time in growing their business and also getting repeat. That was something that struggled. They had a high amount of sales on Amazon, and their high amount of sales on Amazon. I was going to go over to the Fab tab on Amazon. If you go to Amazon, you type in Fab tab, they run branded ad spend there. And you can see they have 100 here bought in the past month, and then 300 here bought in the past month. So I already know that I'm getting a whole ton of sales on Amazon because I started marketing this company for the first time. And all of a sudden it's like, we're selling hundreds. Okay, we're growing, but not on Shopify, but we're growing on Amazon. That's also why I'm okay with increasing the spend on where I need to be, because I'm measuring even more than Meta can even see. Exactly.
Yeah.
But what's interesting about this is if you go in and click on the Fab tab, this one here, you can technically purchase or subscribe and save. So what we started to do is we said, well, what if we became just as competitive in our subscription availability on the website? Like, we're going to default it to a subscribe and save, and we're going to offer them a discount to do that. So if you go into the Fab tab company now here, and you're going to go into the like tablets, and you're going to buy your dishwasher tablets, we're now defaulting, hey, save 20% with auto ship. And at the same time, our spend on Amazon ads, let me just jump in here. This is where we start to get like really kind of cool MMM stuff. The same time here in the last 7 days, we've actually started to reduce our ad spend on Amazon. So our total purchase, or our total cost is going from 300 down to 221, down to 188 as of yesterday. I purposely reduced spend. Now, it doesn't look like we're dropping or increasing our efficiency. They're still coming in about $50, $60 NCAC. You can see $221 cost, 5 new to the brand. So you'd buy 220 by 5. Go ahead.
Real quick. So you're managing Amazon ads too?
Oh, yeah.
This is new. I didn't know you're managing Amazon ads.
Yeah,
this is like a new release, John.
I know, it's the new stuff. Yeah. So I'm tanking costs now. And so what ends up happening is that the people that are now going to be going to Amazon typing in Fab tab, those people can still come to me. I can still see my 41 purchases new to brand is still fairly stable. I just don't have to pay for it in attribution. So if I can reduce the amount of ad spend I am pushing into there, but also increase or keep stable the amount of new purchases. However, if I remove the wanting to get these people to subscribe and save on Amazon and incentivize them to come over to me with a discount that's actually now cheaper than Amazon, because I'm running a discount promotion. I'm not violating MAP. I'm just becoming cheaper than Amazon temporarily. But if I get you a 20% auto ship on day one, where this company had like 3 subscribers for the last year, on day one, what we did is we went live and we defaulted it to our subscribe and save. And that was our first day. So if we look at exactly on the date of yesterday, we had 11 sales. And yesterday, our 11 sales turned into 5 new subscribers. So what's cool about this is if I look at the last 7 days, the first day I said, hey, let's just test it. Let's just offer a subscription service and let's see how it goes. As you can see, we've had 6 total active subscribers and we gained 5 yesterday. Like, it was like, woo, we've had 1. And then boop, first 5. So almost half of all of our orders yesterday on new customers were first-time subscriber. Long story short, let me just do last thing here. If we look at the spend yesterday, our total spend was 188 here, 188. Plus, if we look at just yesterday, obviously, like we're gonna choose a little time in place. So 188 plus 204 plus Google, and now Google actually spent 88. So let me just do that. 88 here. 480. So we spent $480 and we now have 6 new customers and also 5 subscribers. Our cost of our new subscriber is $96. That's our NCAC on a new subscriber. If we can continually bring this down, which it is coming down because of our MMM modeling, reallocation away from Google and away from Amazon, pushing into Meta to not see any loss of Google or Amazon and increase our new subscription, we essentially now just reduce the cost of a new subscriber. Ad spend's flat, slightly scaling. Ad spend is being pulled on Meta. Ad spend is being pulled out of Amazon. Amazon, if it keeps our new to brand equal from organic, and it should lift because of the increase in spend on Amazon, but should not have to be because of the ad spend on Amazon. Sorry, the increased spend in Meta, and not because of the ad spend on Amazon. We still have the bleed over, but not the subscription bleed over, hopefully. And we can earn more of our own subscribers by bringing them back to us by saying, hey, we have just as good as deals on Amazon, actually even cheaper if you subscribe. So if we can pull our ad spend out and bring our new subscribers back, now when we do product development, sales, I mean, think about SMS and email opportunities now for new product launches and win back campaigns and post-sale campaigns and all the way that we can now communicate with our now acquired MRR, then this is a way to kind of increase that business. So not only have we been growing this company for, the last 90 days, and with everything that you guys have seen here, this is a brand new company that's never really been around before. And just by following this, I'm up now 679% in orders since the last 90 days. This thing just keeps growing and it's getting better and better and better. And now we have our first 5 subscribers. This thing's going to start to gain legs. And
this
now
will be
there you go.
A long-term kind of case study when it comes. So really, I mean, at the end of the day, you're using the feeder build on Meta. You're controlling Amazon and Google. I assume you're just running like Performance Max on Google or something like that just to scoop up, or using standard shopping.
No, we're just using PMax with brand included.
Okay, so it's just to catch, just grab whatever it can kind of thing. Okay.
Yeah, and 2 weeks ago, my non-brand was leading the charge. Now my brand is leading the charge, which is giving me confirmation is exactly what I wanted. Hey, if you like this video, we have a Skool Community where we have a few hundred members and we cover topics, everything from the basics to all the way to the like hyper crazy advanced stuff that's like coming out next month. So a few hundred members there. We go live twice a week, something with an hour-long education about something that is very relevant to the community that week, plus a weekly Q&A where you just get to come and bring us all of your problems and we solve them one at a time.
So I have a link below in the description if you want to join. And then obviously if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we can answer those for you. And we'll see you in there.